Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video I will guide you how to start crypto trading, complete guide for beginners. So let's get started. Before moving on, let me tell you, if you are new in this channel, click subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. In this video we will cover 5 basic steps. The first step is to create crypto exchange account. There are many exchange websites like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, CoinSpot and many more. Which one is the best? I will show you in this video. So go to Chrome browser. So the first one is Binance.com. Simply click on register button, create your account. In this exchange website you can buy and sell a coin. Even you can stack a coin to get daily interest. So the second one is Coinbase.com. Coinbase, in here you can buy and sell a coin. Simply click here and create your account. The third one is KuCoin.com. KuCoin looks like Binance.com. Here you can buy and sell a coin. Even you can stack a coin to get daily interest. This exchange website has mobile application. Even you can use this exchange website on your mobile. So you should have at least 2 exchange account, because in future you need 2 exchange website. So I recommend you Binance and Coinbase. These 2 are the best exchange website. So once you create your crypto exchange account, then what's the second step? The second step is to know about market watcher website. Simply come here. Okay, the first market watcher website is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap.com is the best website. Here you can find every coin current price, market cap, volume, circulating supply, last 7 days chart. So this is the best website. Suppose you have created your exchange account and you have deposit your funds too. Now you want to buy a coin, so you should come and visit this website. Simply search here. Suppose I want to buy Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin. Here you can go to dogecoin.com, its website. You want source code, white paper, community, you can chat with them. And now come here. First thing, you should check its market cap. Okay, second, volume, 24-hour volume. If the volume is up, now see it's almost 50% down. The volume is 50% down. If the volume is up, it means the coin will pump in after a few hours. Tomorrow or tonight it will pump. So the third one, circulating supply. You should check this 4 option. Even you can check here the chart, the market cap, trading view. So this website is the best. The second one is CoinGecko. CoinGecko is similar like CoinMarketCap. So here you can get all coin, whether a new one that listed a few minutes ago, whether the old one like Bitcoins, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, XRP. So you should check this website before buying any coin. Remember, you should check this website, because this website will give the prediction of a coin, whether it will pump and dump after a few minutes, a few hours, today, tomorrow, or after 1 week. So here you can create your account. Just sign up here and create your account. Simply subscribe to this website too, because you should get daily updates. Even create account on CoinMarketCap also. In these two websites you should create your account and daily check these two websites. The third step is fundamental analysis. Like how? Let's go to web browser. So before technical analysis, before choosing any coin, to check its technical analysis, you should know the fundamental analysis. You should find a coin, then you can check its technical analysis, then you can check its prediction price. Now you don't know a coin, which coin gonna pump, which coin is for tomorrow, then how you can use its trading view, how you can use its technical analysis? A big question mark for you. So the first thing is fundamental analysis, then technical analysis. Okay, we have three best website: coindisc.com, cointelegraph.com, coinmarketcalendar.com. What they use for? Coindisc.com, here you will get all news update, daily news. Whether suppose one news that Elon Musk bought 1.5 billion bitcoins. Okay, these news will help the coin to pump. Okay, so you should be alert. You should check daily this website. What news comes today? About which coin we have, which news, what news we have about this coin, about that coin. So you should check this. You should read the news, focus on the news, because a coin will pump when we get a news about that. When someone say I will buy this, when a famous person, a rich person, if say I will buy 1 billion bitcoins, then think bitcoins will pump. It means bitcoins price will go high. So you should check coindisc.com. This is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is not using anything like chart etc. It is reading the news, finding the news about any coin, finding a coin, which coin will gonna pump. So the second one is Cointelegraph. Same, here you will get a news, daily news update. So you should be alert of update. Like here you can check, all are about coins, all news are about coins. You should know about this website. Okay, the third website is CoinMarketCalendar. What it means? Here you can check in which date which coin is coming, what will happen with this coin in this date. Say 15 May 2021 token burn. It means in 15 May there will be a token burn. Now click here and go check what will happen in this 15 May 2021. See, here you can check 300 million coin will burn on this date. Say proof, you can check the proof. Okay, here it will show you the proof. Source, you can check the source. Everything will show you exchange, in which exchange. See, you can check the exchange too. That's why I told you create at least 2 exchange websites. See, there is no Binance, Coinbase or anything. So for sure, now what should I say? Okay, go back. Remember, you should have Twitter account also. You should have Twitter account and follow the Bitcoin's ID, Ethereum, BNB. you should follow its account, its ID, because daily they give update. You should be alert. You should be alert in crypto world. You should be alert. You should know about news. You should know about coin, which coin will come in this day, which coin, what will happen with this coin. You should know everything. See, this is the calendar. It will show you the upcoming events. Okay, let's click to this event. Click on proof. It will show you the proof. It will show you the source. It will show you the exchange. Okay, here you check the chart, you check the word, etc. So these three website is the fundamental analysis. First you need fundamental analysis, then you need technical analysis. Okay, the fourth step is to check a coin trading view or technical analysis. The fourth step is the most important step. Before buying any coin, you should know the technical analysis. You should know the trading view idea. So go to tradingview.com. Here you should create your account. Okay, in TradingView you can check, or you can use any technical analysis to check the coin prediction price. Simply go to chart. Here it will show you a coin trading view chart, ups and downs, dump and pump, as we can say in crypto. Dump ups, no sorry, dump down, pump ups. Suppose let's check this chart. Okay, here you will get the idea. This one called candlestick. One of them called candlestick. Here it go pump, then dump, then pump, then dump. From here you will get idea whether after a few hours the coin will go up, the price will go up, or the price will go down. Here you can check. Let me show you. Okay, the volume. This one is the volume. Here you can check the volume of buying, the volume of selling. Even you can use the technical analysis like, well, let me show you. Okay, the support area, the resistance. We will learn this technical analysis in future. I will upload a video, don't worry about that. So you should have account on tradingview.com and you should know how to use this, how to get prediction price, whether it will dump or pump. The next, let me show you. This one is the chart. Well, you might think in Binance we have the chart, so why we need tradingview.com chart? Well, in tradingview.com you will get more idea. Even you use the technical analysis, although you can use on Binance too, but tradingview.com is especially for chart, for trade, for market scanner. You can see the option here, top brokers, market. Even you can check the market price. Okay, this is the fourth step. You should know about tradingview.com, how to use this, how to find the coin, prediction price, and many more. The last step is to create MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Why we need MetaMask wallet? Why we need Trust Wallet? Okay, suppose let's go to web browser. This is metamask.io, MetaMask wallet. Why we need this? Suppose a new coin that launch, like suppose SafeMoon launched, but it's not listed on Binance, Coinbase, CoinSpot. SafeMoon is not on any exchange. So where they can be? They can be on PancakeSwap, Uniswap. See, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, we have many. uniswap.com. Then we have this JelSwap. There are many decentralizing website, decentralizing platform where you can buy and sell a new coin, a new listed coin, a new launched coin, because they are not listed on any exchange website. That's why you need a MetaMask wallet in order to buy a new coin. So we will learn. I will upload a video how to use MetaMask, why we use MetaMask. So I will guide you completely. Okay, here you need to create account on MetaMask. If you don't know how to create this, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video will be a little bit lengthy, but it should be, because I want to guide you a complete step by step guide how to trade, how to start your trading. So download MetaMask. MetaMask is mostly for Google Chrome browser. Okay, it don't have any mobile application, but Trust Wallet have mobile application. You can use on your mobile, but MetaMask don't have mobile application, so you can use it with Google Chrome. See here, this is Trust Wallet. Okay, see, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, both work same, only they are from different companies. They are different wallet. Here, see, in here you can also buy bitcoins, Ethereum, BNB, Litecoin, XRP. You can buy all of them. This wallet is the most important. See, well, we will learn about this MetaMask Trust Wallet in future, but you should create account on this wallet also, MetaMask Trust Wallet. Okay, if you have any question, this is our last step. If you have any question about these 5 steps, just comment on the below comment section. Ask me, I will answer you on this spot. So if you like this video, just hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon to get notification. So this is my first video. Here I guide you the 5 basic steps how to start trading, how to start your crypto trading to get profit, to earn profit. So you should follow this video. If you did not understand any step, ask me in the comment section. So our video end up here. See you in next video. Bye bye.